Snooze Science, exploring the power of sleep and rest. Welcome to Snooze Science! Are you ready to learn about the amazing power of sleep and rest? Let's dive into the world of snoozing in a fun and simple way. Dreamland Adventures. When we sleep, our bodies and brains take a magical journey to dreamland. Dreams help our brains process the day's events and recharge for a new day of fun and learning. Repair and restore. While we sleep, our bodies work hard to repair muscles, grow, and heal. It's like giving our bodies a superhero boost to keep us strong and healthy. Brain boost. Sleep is like a superhero for our brains too. It helps us concentrate, remember things better, and stay focused during the day. So, getting enough sleep is super important for doing our best at school, sports, and play. Happy and healthy. Sleep is essential for our emotional well-being too. When we're rested, we feel happier, less stressed, and more ready to take on the world with a smile. By understanding the magic of sleep and making rest a priority, we can unlock our full potential and enjoy every day to the fullest. So let's embrace the power of snooze science and drift off into dreamland for a night of sweet dreams and restful sleep.